Let us discuss random forest machine learning model. Random forest is an ensemble machine learning model, especially an ensemble of decision tree to improve the classification accuracy. That means under random forest, the forest is nothing but collection of trees, right? Under random forest, we will develop n number of trees, which is called as forest, right? So we'll develop n number of decision tree model. Then combined those n number of model will produce the final result, which is called as ensemble model. So the equation for that ensemble prediction is, you can see that the prediction output is function of average of b number of model. Here b is taken b number, so n number of model, n average. So what I'll do, I will construct some n number of model, n number of decision tree. Then I'll use all the decision tree to produce the result. Then average of the result I will send as a final result. So that is what I'll do under random forest. Under R environment, the random forest model is available under a library called random forest. We can load those library by using library command. Then you can use random forest function to develop random forest model. So what we are doing here, we are constructing a random forest to classify the species type as a function of all column. This dot says that take all columns and perform the classification on species on the data set of iris. And we have to give another argument, how many number of decision tree has to be constructed as a forest. So here the number of tree is 100. That means this random forest model will construct 100 number of decision tree. Then average of that 100 decision tree is taken as final outcome, and produced as a final outcome. So you can see the model property or performance by print command. Let us explore these commands in our environment. So this is the commands we are discussing for constructing random forest. We'll load the library and we'll construct it and we'll print it. When you do this, you can see that number of tree is 100 and the error rate is 4% only. The confusion matrix is, you can see that all 50 setosa are classified as setosa without any problem. And all versicolor flower is classified as versicolor, but three mistake of virginica, because we already saw that in the cluster analysis versicolor and virginica has merged point or interrelated points of data, so that produces three errors. Similarly, other cases, the virginica classified with three error. So these three error is producing error rate of 4% under performance of classification.